Tesla's Boombox Mode transforms your Tesla vehicle, such as models 3, Y, S, and X, into a portable sound system. It allows you to play audio from a Bluetooth-connected device through the car's external speakers. This means you can stream music, playlists, or custom sounds loudly for outdoor gatherings or to enhance your park driving experience. The Tesla screen provides options like playing current media or using megaphone features. Speakers are strategically placed throughout the vehicle for optimal external sound projection. First, make sure your Tesla is in park mode and unlocked. On the car's touchscreen, go to Settings. Then Connectivity. And then Bluetooth. Pair your smartphone or other Bluetooth device. Once paired, the device should automatically connect when in range. Enhanced Bluetooth integration from 2024 allows for seamless pairing with multiple devices and reduces latency for streaming audio. With your device paired, open the media player on the Tesla's central touchscreen. Look for Boombox in the Audio Sources menu. Selecting Boombox activates the external speakers. Now, any audio playing from your paired device will be broadcast through the external speakers instead of the internal ones. Adjust the volume using the touchscreen or steering wheel controls. Tesla allows you to upload custom audio clips for use with Boombox Mode. Start by using the Tesla app version 4.20 or later on your smartphone. In the app, navigate to Vehicle Controls and then select Sounds. Here, you can add up to 10 custom horn sounds or audio clips. Each file must be under 5 megabytes and in MP3 or WAV format. These clips can be used as horn replacements or played through Boombox Mode on your Tesla vehicle. Once you've uploaded your custom sounds to your Tesla, you can access them through the vehicle's menu system. Start by navigating to the Toybox settings on the central touchscreen. In the Toybox menu, you'll find the Boombox option along with other fun features like emissions testing and romance mode. To play custom sounds through the external speakers, select the custom sound you want to use. Some sounds are routed through the horn menu. In the horn customization section, choose your uploaded custom sound. This automatically enables Boombox Mode, directing the audio to the external speakers instead of the cabin. Alternatively, you can access custom sounds through the media menu. Selecting a custom sound here will also activate Boombox Mode. In the audio settings, you'll see options for tone control and media playback. When you choose a custom sound from the media section, Boombox Mode engages, projecting the sound externally and bypassing the internal speakers for maximum outdoor effect. Boombox Mode has important limitations and safety features designed to ensure responsible use. First, Boombox Mode is only available when the vehicle is in park mode. This is a critical safety feature to prevent distractions while driving. Be mindful of volume levels, especially in residential areas, to avoid disturbing others with excessive noise. Tesla includes an auto mute feature that activates during motion to comply with noise regulations. Remember to use Boombox Mode responsibly to maintain a positive experience for everyone. Using Boombox Mode will consume more battery power than simply idling. This is because the feature actively powers the external speakers to project sound outward, requiring additional energy from your vehicle's battery. Newer Tesla models, such as the refreshed Model Y, have improved thermal management systems that help regulate battery temperature and efficiency. This allows Boombox Mode to run for 3 to 4 hours on a single charge at moderate volume levels of 30 to 50% without causing significant battery drain. Keep an eye on your battery level, especially if you're planning an extended Boombox session. You can check this through your Tesla's touchscreen or even monitor usage patterns on your phone's battery settings. If you're having trouble getting Boombox Mode to work, first ensure your Bluetooth connection is stable by checking that your phone is properly paired in the Tesla's settings. Next, check that Boombox Mode is selected as the audio source in the media player on the touchscreen. If custom sounds aren't playing, verify that they are in the correct MP3 or WAV format and under the 5 megabyte size limit. Also, make sure your Tesla software is up to date by checking for updates in the controls menu. If issues persist, try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and reboots.